Hey guys, I am potting up some tomatoes that have overgrown the little plug tray that they were initially grown in, and I wanted to show you guys a quick, cheap way to create pots if you don't have them. So what I have here are just red Solo cups that I've already labeled. I am using a hot glue gun to make drainage holes in them. So it just melts right through the plastic. It doesn't get stuck on the end of the glue gun or anything. And I will make 3 around the bottom edge. I don't do them on the bottom because I find that they tend to get like clogged or waterlogged or whatever. So I will just do this. You could alternatively use scissors or a knife or something, but I have pretty much cut my hand every year when I try that. So this is the method I've settled on. And then tomatoes will root all along their stem. So I will actually drop this all the way in here and then just fill it up with potting soil, and I'll get a whole root system that's like super long. If you tried to buy like the tall planters off, you know, Amazon or Johnny's or wherever, they're stupidly expensive, but this is, well, very, very cheap and easy and reusable. I'll just cross this out and I'll use these again next year.